Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about Mockup templates business easy and quick. So first type Shopify in the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their product. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. You can skip all this if you want, so I'm gonna skip this. Let's continue. Choose an account. Now wait a few seconds to build in this store. So the first thing you have to do, go to the online store and go to the themes. So we have here the themes. Select any theme you want. So I'm gonna just skip this, the down theme. Select, click add, and wait a few seconds to install in the theme, and after this you can publish it and customize it on your home page. So like this. Now you can customize. Click here, it will take you to your home page, the home page store. So here, this is the style. If you want to change the style of your home page, you can make it like a desktop like this, or like a mobile style, or like a full screen style. I'm gonna just keep it like this. Here, this is the home page. This is the settings where you can design your store. So we have here the header. The first thing, we have the header, the announcements bar. You can change the scheme. You can show separator line. Also, you can show icons on desktop. You can auto rotate announcements. If you want to enable country and region selector, you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to the announcements. You can change the text. You can also pass a link or search for something. I'm gonna select the collections. Let's move on now to the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu or remove it. You can change the desktop menu type. Also, you can change the sticky header. If you wanna show separator line, you can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. You can edit the mobile layout. Here, if you wanna edit the spacing, the section padding, the top and the bottom. So that's it. Now let's move on to the theme settings. So here you can manage the theme settings. You can enable search suggestions. Here, if you want to add your social media links, your Twitter link or your Facebook link or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here. Now let's move on to the next section. Before we move to the next section, if you wanna upload your logo, you can upload it. You have to upload it from your library. So for example, let's search on it on the browser. Mockup templates business logo. So for example, I'm gonna choose something from here. So I'm gonna choose this. So this is just for example. You can choose whatever you want. You can upload it from your free image or from your library. Here you can change the desktop. You can edit the desktop logo width, and you can edit the vertical offset. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image banner. So here you have two images. You have the first image and the second image. Here you can edit the image overlay opacity. You can change the banner height. Also, you can change the desktop content position. You can show container on desktop. You can also change the desktop content alignment. You can change the color scheme, and also you can stack image on mobile and show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the heading. So here you can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Mockup templates. So I can choose from here. You can change the heading size. I'm gonna make it a medium. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label, you can change your first button link. Here you can use outline button style. If you already add the second image, you can add here the second button label and the second button link. Or if you wanna use outline button style, so that's it. Now let's move on to the featured collection. So here you can generate the text, describe what this text is about, as always, mockup templates. You can add the description, generate the text. Here you can show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. Here if you wanna change the collection or create your own collection, you can make product full width. Here if you wanna enable view all if collection has more product than shown. You can view all style. You can change the view all style. Here you can enable carousel on desktop. So that's it. Also you can enable swipe on mobile, you can enable quick add button. So that's it. If you're done from this, you can, if you wanna add something new on your home page, you can click here, select what kind of section you want to add on your home page from here as you like. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section on the website, the footer section. This is the, you can change the color scheme, the email sign up, you can show email sign up, also the heading. You can generate the text. You can turn this on, show social media icons. You can show policy links. So that's it. After you're done from this, just save this. After you're done from this on your website and customize it, you can go to the dashboard, to the home page. So after you customize your online store and add your first product, after you add a custom domain, here you can add a custom domain and add the sharing details. So you can add the domain. Here you can buy a new domain. So that's it. After this, let's name your store. So type any name you want. You can add here your store phone and you can add your store email. So let's save this. Now after this, you can launch your online store and pick a plan. You can launch it and publish it. So that's it for today. That's how to launch and customize your online store for mockup templates, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.